Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we have a very informative tutorial for all of you HSBC credit card holders because we will be showing you how to pay your HSBC credit card bill. I know it's a simple process, but if you're new to it, we will guide you step by step. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, first of, you have two options in doing that. First is you might want to open your HSBC mobile app, log in using your credentials, all right? Or you can simply hover to the website, hsbc.com. Depends on your country. Right now, I'm here at the hsbc.uk, and I suggest you go here at the help center, how to pay for your HSBC credit card online. So first off is if you wanna pay through HSBC online banking, you might wanna go and log into the website. And then from their my bank menu, click the new payment or transfer right here. Okay, this one. And choose the account to debit the payment from and the HSBC credit card account that will be paid, right? And simply enter the payment amount and click continue. Review the payment details and click confirm. And you will receive a confirmation that payment was successful. Okay. Now, if you're using the mobile app, all right, you might want to hover to main menu and click new transaction right here. Okay. And after that, choose the account to debit the payment and the HBC credit card account that will be paid right here. And the next step would be enter the payment amount and click continue. Once you've done that, review the payment details and click confirm. And you will receive a confirmation that the payment was successful, all right? And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.